Alright guys, welcome to Pathfinder. Pathfinder is one of Auduro's events, so we totally have 7 events throughout the year.
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man?
But this one is kind of the more challenging one that we have.
I've got to do.
So you're gonna be tired, muddy, sleepless.
Vakardien mēs pagulējām principā no 3 līdz 4. 4 no rīta cēlāmies un 16 stundas braucām.
There might be sand. There might be some water crossings. It's gonna be 40 hours of torture, fun. That's why you're here, right? Remember, the mission is to survive, come back here as a team. Not one man does everything. All the team should be involved and do separate things. Communication is key. You have to capture as many of these checkpoints as you can. Now this is Pathfinder. You have to find the routes yourselves.
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man I've got to do? What's he got to do now?
As always in Auduro events, we have some emotion. This time you'll have the fear emotion. There's gonna be 2 4x4 vehicles. They're gonna be patrolling randomly everywhere, making it a bit more difficult for you guys to reach the locations. Does this sound like a bit of fear? Yeah. Good.
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man I've got to do? What's he got to do now?
The idea behind Pathfinder is that you are in like a survival mode. What I have heard a term is Hunger Games. All right.
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man I've got to do?
Humor and good spirit is gonna help you guys push through to the end.
Kurwa, ile gliny, ja pierdolę, kto to wymyślił taką trasę jebano? Co za chuj.
Kurwa Husqvarna.
So guys, we wanna continue doing these events. We wanna continue riding in our forest areas. So don't do stupid riding. Stupid riding is going through private properties, going through nighttime doing these rops, Ride with your mind. We all have to kind of chip in and make sure that we don't do stupid shit, okay?
Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man I've got to do? What's he got to do now?
Mēs ilgi jūs te gaidījām.
Bija vērts. Paldies par šovu.
Challenge completed.
Jā.
Dzīvi.
Jā, it kā jā.
Bet bija grūti
Kas bija grūtākais?
pamosties šodien.
Pirmā emocija.
Izaicinoši vietām, bet baigi labi. Daudz kā var jaunu iemācīties.
Mums braucienā pierādījās, ka teneri tomēr ir mazāk uzticami nekā himnolēs.
How do you feel in Polish?
Bardzo kurwa dobrze. Zajebiście.
So how is the Latvian mud compared to Polish mud?
Completely different.
Really?
This is so wet. I am so wet. But it's like enduro heaven here. Paradise. Impreza zajebista, mówię wam. Best of the best.
Again, I mentioned it was all about teamwork. Hope you guys enjoyed this event and pulled all of your energy towards each other and helped out each other and made some good memories. And we'll love to see you guys again next year, maybe even with your friends. Altogether, you could have 1,001 score points. And this team, they're really close. 995 total points. Team Ainara Vilceni! These are the Pathfinder champions of 2026. You guys win the Enduro Pathfinder trophy and you guys get to take it with you. But next year you have to come back and defend your title. Good work, guys!